Hey everyone, this is Greg, and this is another quick video from badcreditassistance.com, financial solutions for people with less than perfect credit. And today we're going to talk about something that gets searched for a ton on the internet, and that is online payday loans. Of course, payday loans are constantly in the news, and people have a misunderstanding about them. So I want you to think about this very, very quick scenario. You're in the break room at work. A coworker you are friends with comes up and asks you to loan him $20 until payday. Now you know the guy and you've done it before, so you don't have a problem with it. And that is exactly what payday loans are. The only difference is they don't know you. They're not a friend. They're not a coworker. They are a business, and they charge you a fee for loaning you the money. And most of them give you about 2 weeks to pay it back. Payday loans are also called cash advances, and they are exactly as they sound. They are short-term loans. They really are only intended as emergency cash advances when some unforeseen event happens, like your car breaks down, the car battery goes out, you get some unexpected bill, something like that. Nearly all of the negative things that you hear in the news about payday loans are due to people misusing the service and not using them as they are intended. When you borrow money from a payday loan, the full amount you borrow plus the lending fee is due to be paid back in about 14 days. Now, depending on the company, the fees can range anywhere from about 15 to 35 bucks per $100 borrowed. So for example, if you borrow $100, you should be prepared to pay back 135 about 2 weeks later. If you borrow 200, you could pay back 270, and so on and so on. So you can see very easily, the more money you borrow, the higher the fee, the total amount that you could pay back, which is why I recommend, even though you see, like in this picture here, all over the internet, people saying, companies saying you can apply for $1,500 or more, I recommend that you don't even use payday loans if you need more than $500. I think you should seek some other service. And if you go to badcreditassistance.com and click on personal loans, we do have an alternative for that if you want to borrow money more than $500. Now, you can get more information about payday loans, including more on how payday loans online work, by visiting our webpage. Just go to the website and click on payday loans. And if we're going to put this on YouTube, obviously, so if you're on YouTube and you're watching this video, there's going to be a link right below the video. Once you are on our page, you'll see more information about payday loans, and it's also going to have a link to a service that I've used personally. I've used it a couple of times. They have very reasonable rates, and the most important thing is, just because you fill out the real quick application and submit it, that doesn't obligate you to anything. It doesn't commit you to anything. Someone is going to call you. They're going to explain everything up front, exactly how much is due to be paid back, the date, everything, and then you decide at that time whether you want to accept it or not. Okay, so this was just a quick video about payday loans, and once again, visit creditassistance.com for more tips, advice, and services to help people with less than perfect credit. Thanks for watching, and take care.